Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram account from a personal account to a creator account. So this would be perfect if you are an influencer or a YouTuber, maybe a Twitch streamer, something like that. You'll get a little bit more control of your Instagram account and you also get access to new stats. So let's go in and get started. The first thing we need to do is go to our Instagram profile in the app by simply selecting the profile icon in the bottom right. Once we're on our Instagram profile, open up the menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right, and then go down on the bottom in the menu and select Settings. Alright, so this will open up the settings. In Settings, you want to find Account. Go ahead and select Account. And then once you're in Account, scroll down until you see Switch to Professional Account. So in here you have two options. You have Creator, which is going to be more public figures or influencers, and then you have Business, which is going to be a brand or actually like a retailer or local business. So for this tutorial, we'll be selecting Creator. So the first thing it's doing is just letting us know what benefits we get by being a creator. So you get some ability to control how your profile looks. You can include your category or a contact button so people can easily contact you. You also get some upgraded messaging features. And then, like I said, you have more insight into your stats for your posts and things like that. So select Next. Now what we need to do is select a category. I'm going to just do blogger. But you'd want to make sure that you select the category that actually pertains to your profile and who you are. Select Next. Next, we just are required to enter some contact information, either a phone number or an email address. But don't worry, this does not have to be made public. In the next step, we can actually make it so it's not public. So I'm going to select Next after entering the information. And then the next step is going to be, do we want to display our category label and our contact information? I'm going to actually remove those both. So you just uncheck them in the right area right here, and that'll remove that information from your profile. I don't want people to be able to see my contact information, and the category really doesn't mean that much to me. So after you've made those decisions, go ahead and select Done. And now, if you have a Facebook page you want to connect to it, you can do that here, but I'm just going to select Don't Connect to Facebook Now. Alright, so now we're done. We have a creator profile on Instagram, and now we can take advantage of all the new features. So when it comes to the insights about your stats, you'll be able to see those if you just select one of your profile pictures, and then you can go to View Insights. This will show you information about the stats for it. You can see how many times it was actually sent in a message or saved, different pieces of information like that to kind of give you insight to let you know, are your posts being shared, are they going viral, different things like that. So that's how you change your Instagram profile into a creator profile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.